Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Nextdoor how to repost. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On the Nextdoor, there isn't a formal repost button like on some social media platforms, but you can share or create a similar post in few ways. Now in order to share a post within the Nextdoor, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Nextdoor application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you are there, what you need to do is find the post you want to share, and once you have found the post, all you gotta do is simply tap on the three dot icon given to you, and there you'll find an option that says share. Simply tap on that, and now here choose to share to your neighborhood or send in a private message and add your own comment if you like, and then post it as well. Or you can also simply copy the text of the original post, then head over back and tap on post, then paste the text optionally or add photos, and then create or post it to your neighborhood. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.